Today is November 12th, 2011. This is Chris talking. I'm about to attempt my first ever component level repair on my 7-year-old approximately Samsung LCD TV. These four here, see the CS806 there, and the other three just north of them are all 1000 microfarads, 10 volt, 105 degrees Celsius. I was able to go to active components and get these guys here, which are their higher voltage, which from what I've been reading online is the way to go. However, they are only 85 degrees Celsius, but I'm going to risk it because it's all I could find. This is a well-documented problem with the Samsung TVs, both plasma and LCD. And instead of buying a new TV, I just want to spend the $10 in parts and try doing this myself. Yeah, I'll be back in a bit.
Alright, it's probably about an hour later. Desoldering is not my forte, but, well, apparently neither is soldering if you look at this video here, but, you know, capacitors are in place, so hopefully they'll work. There's those four blue guys right there. New ones. Now to install the TV.
Alright everyone, the power supply is once again reinstalled in the TV. There's the view of the capacitors right next to the right of that fat ribbon cable there. Those are the guys that are replaced. And so now, I guess, is the moment of truth. So for those of you who found this video by looking for Samsung makes clicking noise, you'll know that it'll click repeatedly if it's not going to work. Let's turn it on. Click once. And is that on? And it is on. Well, screw you Samsung for using subpar components, but thank you Samsung for teaching me how to do component level repair. I hope this video will give you the courage to try this repair yourself, because it was really quite easy. It just took a little time. Yeah, have a good one. Feel free to email me your questions.